In this example, we are asked to solve for x. So I'm going to start on the side of the equation where the variable is, over here. And if you look, that variable is inside parentheses, so with that negative here on the outside, we are going to have some distribution for sure. And with this extra term on the outside, most likely we're going to have some combining like terms. So we always want to start with the distribution because that is, if we look at our order of operations, multiplication comes first before addition, like combining like terms. So this negative here is what we need to distribute, and it's really a -1. So I'm going to take that -1 and multiply it times everything in the parentheses. So that will give me a -3x, and then the -1 and the -8. Negative and negative will make a +8. And then I'm going to bring down the 9 from the beginning of the problem, and the equals -22. After that, we've got to look for our like terms. I have here an x term, but neither of the other two have x's, which is actually why those two are like terms. They're both constants. So 9 and 8 will give me 17, and then I'm going to bring down that -3x. Just bring it right down. The 17 is positive, so it'll be a plus, and then the equals -22. Next, we're all done simplifying, so we can actually go ahead and start to solve, which means I'm going to look over here on the left where my variable is, and I want to inverse the constant. The constant is a +17, so we're going to use a -17. That will leave me with -3x equals a -39. Last but not least, we can inverse this coefficient, so the -3 will be divided on both sides, and that will leave us with x equals a +13.